Namaskar. Welcome to Weird Wondrous World. When I recorded Hindi version of this particular video, the temperature at Amsterdam was 25 degrees centigrade. For American viewers, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. And even though at Jodhpur in India, I have faced temperature up to 50 degrees centigrade, that is 122 degrees Fahrenheit, still the heat was unbearable for me. Besides the Americans, the Bahamas, the Cayman Islands, and Liberia are the only countries that use this weird Fahrenheit quirk. And out of respect of American wisdoms, it necessitates showing the temperature in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit scale was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit, an ethnic German born in Poland and proposed use of the scale in the Netherlands in 1724. All these countries have abandoned the Fahrenheit scale, but for Americans, my sincere apologies to non-Americans for this necessary detour of just criticism of the America. But the main question is why summers in high latitude countries are so unbearable despite relatively mild temperatures. There are three reasons for this. First, at higher latitudes, the sun's rays are more horizontal, and these rays are capable of scorching the entire surface of any person's body. So it's difficult to stay out in sun. The second reason is that the summer days are longer at places on higher latitudes. Therefore, the intense heating lasts much longer. And the third reason is in high latitudes, the winters are longer and colder. So houses are built to trap the heat inside. In summers, the more horizontal sunlight can heat up even these houses. Due to short duration of summer, most houses do not have air conditioning. Therefore, there is no comfort either inside or outside. In contrast, in tropical regions, the summers are long and houses are built to keep them cool. Therefore, the houses are cooler. There are 5 competing weather patterns in Northern Europe. One is tropical maritime winds brought by a Gulf Stream that bring a lot of humidity and rain. The second is the polar maritime winds from west that are cool and they bring shower. The third is the Arctic northern winds that are bringing snow and rain and cold air in winters. The fourth is the polar continental easterlies winds that bring dry and cold weather. And the fifth is coming from south. These are hot Saharan winds and that bring the hot weather to the Europe. Normally, in the European summers, there is a competition between tropical maritime winds and the continental winds. So the temperature remains mild. If tropical maritime winds win, then then there are rains. Otherwise, the weather will be dry. But sometimes the southern Saharan winds they win, and they bring extreme heat. And this is what had happened when I recorded the video earlier. But right now, the tropical maritime winds are winning and it's raining and the temperatures have dropped substantially. The global temperatures have been rising over past few decades, and with this, the temperatures are becoming more and more extreme at almost every location. In tropical regions, the buildings are built imitating the Western architecture, making the cities much more hotter. But something weird happened to me on July 24, 2019, while I was working from home at Kota in India. My colleagues mentioned that the temperature in the Netherlands that hit 39.3 degrees centigrade. But the maximum temperature at Kota on that day was 33 degrees centigrade. For my American audience, at that time I was experiencing 91.4 degree Fahrenheit in India, and my colleagues in Netherlands were experiencing 102.7 degree Fahrenheit. The global warming is a real problem, and we need to take appropriate measures to address it. Hope that you liked this particular video. If you liked it, please share it, comment on it, follow this channel, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart to watch this video. Thank you very much.